So each time he said he bought all the funds, he thought it was like a glorified thing. No. He wasn't affected, damaging himself. But it's so unfortunate that he failed to appreciate that fact. Then he went further to also ask in his media chat if any of these persons can talk to their House of Assembly members and the House of Assembly members will listen. What does that tell you very clearly? It simply means he is responsible for the continuous attitude of the Assembly members. He is the one telling them what to do. They are just pawns on his chessboard, political chessboard. And why is that the case? Because if you ask him today to come and contest in Rivers State in a free and fair election, we all know what happened in the last election. We are all journalists, and I believe you have the facts, even if you're not going to come out openly because of what INEC did by stamping what I call Ingratitude. But if today you say, if he says he can tell his assembly members and they'll do what they want to do, it simply means because he bought the form for them, he sponsored them, they are trying to escape consequence. That's what it means. Now, what is the problem? Ego. The FCT minister kept talking about gratitude, ingratitude, and so on. And I asked a simple question. Who is the worst ingrate? Maybe most of you have failed to take on that advisement. The issues in the last, let me say, from the days of peterobi. On several occasions he said that Governor Delay was responsible for his return as local government chairman. And he will owe his political height to peterobi. Because but for that return, the election, he would have been anywhere, he would have been a political force to be reckoned with. And he also went a step further on Peter Obi's birthday to say, God will punish him any day he goes to this world. He said, social media is everywhere. In his media chat, he denied it. He said he never said so. But the social media will not lie. It's for life. Today, he said, he's gone, his party is Governor Peter Obi.